Good morning, everyone. Today we will discuss about the sol gel method. In last lecture, we have discussed the characterization and fabrication methods. Okay, today we will discuss about the sol gel method. Okay, sol gel method is performed in the liquid phase. The method is useful for self-assembly process for fabricating nanoparticles and three-dimensional material such as aerogel. Okay. A sol gel is a type of colloid in which a disposed solid phase is mixed in a homogeneous liquid medium. Sol gel process involves evolution of network through the formation of colloidal suspension, sol and gelatin of sol to form a framework in the continuous liquid phase. It is gel. The first stage in the sol gel process is synthesis of colloid. The precursor used are ions of metal. The alkali salts used are tetramethoxysilane and tetramethoxysilane, which form silica gel. Alkaloids such as aluminium titrates and borates are mixed with the tetramethoxysilane and tetraethoxysilane. Okay. As alkoxides and water are immersible and mutual solvents such as alcohol is used. Sol gel process consists of 4 steps. First is hydrolysis reaction, in which OR group is substituted with the OX hydroxyl group. Hydrolysis reaction can occur without catalysis, but if catalysis is used, the reaction goes fast and complete reaction can take place. Catalyst in the hydrolysis used may be base NaOH or NH3 ammonia, or an acid HF and CH3 HF or acetic acid. The second and third stage can be condensation and polymerization. In this step, growth of particle takes place, and this growth depends upon various conditions such as pH, temperature. The condensation and polymerization reaction is very complex and consists of many intermediate products. The first step is the agglomeration of particles. In this step, network of particles starts in the form throughout the liquid medium, due to which gel is formed. All the 4 steps gives above are affected by initial conditions for the hydrolysis reaction and condensation polymerization. These conditions are pH, temperature, time of reaction and nature of catalyst used. The process can be represented as shown in figure, which sol gel method. Okay, solution of precursor is liquid solution, condensation, solid colloid, gelatin, then suspension, critical drying, aerogel saline, ceramic film, gel, zero gel, grind, forms powder and solid, spray spin coated substance, then thin film. Okay, schematic presentation of sol gel method. Sol gel method is generally used to prepare silica gel. By this method, special type of ammonia silicate get which have tabular structure can be prepared. One of such products is imegolite, which has external diameter of about 2.5 nanometer and internal tube diameter of 1.5 nanometer. These type of nanomaterials are good adsorbent of anions such as chlorine, chloride, chlorate, sulfates and phosphates. To reduce the large surface area of nanoparticle, the gel is placed on a surface due to which greater bulk area ratio is obtained. Aerogel can also be prepared by this method, which are porous and very light. Still, they can withstand 100 times for their weight. By using liquid crystal nanostructured silica which control pore size, shape and order can be synthesized. Next method is the chemical reduction method. Nanoparticles of different metals can be synthesized by chemical reduction method. In this method, metal precursor solution such as metal salt solution is treated with a suitable reducing agent and appropriate stabilizing agents are added. After further treatment and drying, nanoparticles of metal are formed. For example, synthesis of silver nanoparticles by chemical reaction method can be described as silver nitrate solution is taken as a metal precursor and hydrogen hydrate as a reducing agent. Sodium diacetyl sulfate SDS and citrate of sodium are used as a stabilizing agent. The reaction is carried out at room temperature. The transparent color solution converted to characteristic pale yellow and pale red color. The occurrence of color indicate the formation of silver nanoparticle. These silver nanoparticles are purified by centrifugation. To remove excess silver ion, the silver colloid were washed at least 3 times with deoxygenized water under nitrogen steam. Dried powder of nano size silver can be obtained by freeze drying. The particle size of silver nanoparticles can be from 15 to 48 nanometer. Aniline also can be used as a reducing agent. Copper nanoparticles also can be prepared by the chemical reduction method, in which copper salt is reduced by reducing agents such as polyols. Sodium borohydrate, hydrogen ascorbate acid are also used as a capping agent. Chemical reducing method also can be used for preparation of different metal nanoparticles. Electrochemical method. Electrochemical method involves a process of using electric current to coat an electricity conductive object with thin layer of metal. Here, as a result of electric current, electrolysis of electrolyte solution occurs and electrodeposition of metal in the form of nanoparticle on cathode takes place. So this process is also called as a electrodeposition. As a result of reduction metal ion in solution deposit on a negatively charged cathode as a metal atoms. This method is relatively cheap and fast. The thickness of layer depends on the current density and the time of which current flows. The deposit can be detached and subtract by suitable method. In that image we can see the diagram. Electrochemical method, electrodeposition of metal. By using these metals, silver, copper, gold, etc., metal nanoparticles can be synthesized, which silver, copper and gold. By research paper recently published relieves the procedure of synthesis of nanoparticle by electrochemical method. General produced to prepare silver nanoparticles is summarized as follows. The method consists of platinum rods as an anode and cathode, which are placed vertically about 3 cm apart. The electrolyte solution in aqueous silver nitrate solution, which is used as a silver ion precursor. Polyethylene glycol is used as a stabilizing agent. A constant current of 7 mA to 10 mA is allowed to pass. Electrolysis of aqueous AgNO3 is carried out under sonication for a definite time. The reduction of silver plus Ag plus ion takes place to deposit silver on the platinum cathode surface. Alternatively, by using silver electrode as a cathode and anode and distill the water as an electrolytic solution and carrying out electrolysis, the deposition of silver can be occurred. Due to evolution of oxygen gas Ag2O, film deposition on the surface of anode takes place. The electrochemical metal is relatively cheap and fast, so can be performed at a lower temperature. The thickness of layer depends on the current density and time for which the current flows. The deposition can be detected by suitable method. This is the electrochemical method for the synthesis of silver nanoparticles. Okay, then chemical reduction method and sol gel method. Now today we have discussed the sol gel method, chemical reduction method and electrochemical method. Electrochemical method is used for the synthesis of silver, gold and copper nanoparticles. Okay, in the next lecture we will see the application of nanoparticles. Okay, thank you.